Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best winches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the TechStap 15,000 lbs hydraulic winch. This is the premium option on our list, and it's built to handle the most demanding tasks. With a whopping 15,000 lbs of pulling capacity and a 36:1 gear ratio, this winch is perfect for heavy-duty applications like off-road rescues, towing, or industrial lifting. The BMR 80 hydraulic motor provides low-speed, high-torque performance that ensures consistent operation even in extreme environments. It's fully waterproof and performs flawlessly in harsh weather, including freezing temperatures. The design and build quality are impressive, with the steel cable measuring 0.4 inches in diameter and 78 feet in length. While it's extremely durable, the hydraulic setup means it's best suited for vehicles equipped with hydraulic stations, such as fire engines or rescue vehicles. However, the weight of 79.8 pounds might make it less convenient for smaller setups. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, which speaks to the brand's confidence in its durability. On the downside, this winch has limited customer reviews and a steep price point, making it a niche product rather than a mainstream choice. But if you need a rugged and reliable hydraulic winch for professional use, the TechStap 15,000 lbs is hard to beat. At number 4, we have the Open Road 13,500 pounds recovery winch, which combines solid performance with an attractive price point. This winch is equipped with an 85-foot synthetic rope capable of handling up to 13,500 pounds. The synthetic rope is lightweight, easy to handle, and less prone to kinks compared to steel cables. The winch offers IP68 waterproofing, which means it can withstand submersion in water and is resistant to dust, perfect for rugged off-road conditions. The winch is easy to install, with most of the assembly done at the factory. It comes with everything you need, including 2 wireless remotes, a wired controller, and a heavy-duty hook. The sleek design, combined with Dacrymet-coated screws for corrosion resistance, makes it both stylish and durable. At 50 pounds, it's one of the lighter options on this list, making it easier to mount and transport. The Open Road winch is ideal for SUVs, trucks, and trailers. However, while it offers great value, it lacks the advanced motor features of high-end options like the TechStap. Still, with its lifetime technical support and 1-year warranty, this winch provides a lot of bang for your buck, especially for recreational off-roaders and general recovery tasks. Taking the 3rd spot is the Rough Country 12,000-pound Pro Series electric winch with synthetic rope. Known for its durability and versatility, this winch features a 12,000-pound capacity, powered by a robust 6-horsepower motor. The synthetic rope is 85 feet long and designed to resist abrasion and fraying, making it an excellent choice for off-road enthusiasts who need reliable pulling power without the extra weight of a steel cable. The winch's IP67 waterproof rating ensures it can handle tough environmental conditions, from muddy trails to heavy downpours. It also comes with a wired handheld remote, allowing you to control the winch from a safe distance. Installation is straightforward, and the package includes everything you need, such as mounting hardware, a Hawes fair lead, and a clevis hook. While the Rough Country winch is slightly more expensive than some of the other options, it's backed by a brand with a strong reputation. The only downside is that it may lack some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, such as wireless remotes or hydraulic systems. However, for most off-road applications, this winch offers a great mix of performance, durability, and value. In 2nd place, we have the Rugsell Winch 13,500-pound waterproof electric truck winch. This model delivers excellent value with its 13,500-pound pulling capacity and synthetic rope construction. The 7.2 HP motor provides strong and reliable pulling power, while the 3-stage planetary gear system ensures smooth operation, even under heavy loads. The Winch is IP67 rated for water and sand resistance, making it a dependable choice for off-road adventures. One of the standout features is its dual remote system. 2 wireless remotes and a wired handle are included, giving you flexibility in how you operate the winch. The synthetic rope is 100 feet long and offers a lightweight yet durable alternative to steel cables. At 63.1 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, but the robust construction ensures it can handle tough jobs with ease. The Rugcell Winch 13,500 pound is perfect for trucks, jeeps, and utility trailers. While it lacks the advanced hydraulic system of the TechStap, it's an excellent choice for those who need a high-capacity electric winch at a reasonable price. Some users may find the instructions a bit unclear, but overall, this winch offers outstanding performance for its cost. And finally, at the #1 spot, we have the Rugcell Winch 12,000 pounds 12V truck waterproof electric black steel rope electric winch. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, but don't let the price fool you. It's a capable and reliable winch. With a 12,000 pounds pulling capacity and a 6.6 HP motor, it's well suited for most off-road recovery scenarios. The steel rope is 100 feet long and offers excellent durability for heavy-duty use. The winch features an IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring it can withstand water and sand exposure. It also comes with 2 infrared remote controls and a wired handle, giving you versatile control options. At 76.8 pounds, it's on the heavier side, but its rugged build ensures it can handle tough conditions. The unique clutch brake system allows for precise control, making it easier to operate in challenging situations. While it doesn't have the advanced features of higher-end models, such as synthetic rope or hydraulic systems, the Rugcell Winch 12,000 pounds is an unbeatable value for the price. It's ideal for budget-conscious buyers who still want a reliable, high-capacity winch for their trucks, jeeps, or trailers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.